Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how to simply copy a photo from one iPhone to the other. With this one, you only need to do with a gesture. So now let's say I want to copy a photo from my iPhone XR and send it into my iPhone 7. So let me go into photo. And now what you're gonna do is to pin by using your three finger at the same time, just like that. You can see it copy, it is pop up this message, and then on the other iPhone you can go ahead and like pinch out, and now you can see it paste, and then you can see the photo has been transferred to my iPhone 7, and now it is inside the note, and it is very simple. You can apply this method in the other place as well. And for those of you that found this doesn't work, you need to make sure that both iPhone need to have iCloud, need to have the same Apple ID or iCloud. And one more thing is both phones need to be connected to the internet. So my iPhone 7 is connected to the internet as well as my iPhone XR. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and then I will see you guys in the next one.